Complaints this evening from Clarendon councillors about the sums they have been allotted to fight dengue in their divisions. But amidst their call for additional funds, there is a view how the relatively low number of suspected cases in the parish has led to the health authorities not taking the problem seriously. More in this report from TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
That's what we got. Was just a drop in the bucket.
$150,000 to fight dengue in each division. The money was given to the councillors by the Clarendon Municipal Corporation. But according to them, the amount in most instances was enough to destroy mosquito breeding sites in just one of the many communities they represent. To make matters worse, only some councillors have been able to access the fund.
I don't know if it is, if we are able to spend it yet, because there is a lot of controversy on how it is to be spent. And I hope that the councillors who have received that measly sum has already done so. And the CEO is here and the CFO is present, which is a good team. A good team can play from the left wing to the right wing and up to the centre forward, which is you. You will score the goal. We need some more. We need additional funding.
Recognizing the coffers of the local authorities are not as deep as central government's, Councillor Anthony O'Connor urged the Ministry of Health to assist.
We have the money. Funds can be found from the NHF. When monies are to be found to do other things, it is fine in a flash, in a hurry. And if it is here to save our people's life, so where is the love?
There were more than 120 suspected cases of dengue for January in Clarendon. Those numbers may not appear as alarming when compared to other parishes like St. Catherine, which Councillor Anthony O'Connor fears has relegated Clarendon to one of the low priority areas. But for him, many suspected cases in Clarendon will never be tested, while those samples sent for testing will not return until the threat subsides.
And it must go back to the Ministry of Health and to the representative from the parish of Clarendon that we are disappointed that no one is here today. We are not knowing if we are getting control of the situation. We are not knowing today if the situation has worsened.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.